What's up, guys? Welcome to a little segment we call 5-Minute Fridays. In an effort to get you guys more content, I'm going to try to film and edit an entire episode. Bear with me though, this is like 30 minutes of raw footage that I've just cut down into 5 minutes. So it's a lot of time lapses. And also, this intro does not count in the 5 minutes, whatever. And it starts right now.
And it starts right now!
What's up, guys? First 5-Minute Friday. Today we're going to be working on one of our subscribers' Evos, actually an Evo 10 that he brought by, installing a pretty badass bumper, front bumper, rear bumper, rocker panels, diffuser, front lip kind of stuff. But man, it is freaking nice out today. All right, let's get to work. First thing we got to do is take off the old front bumper, side skirts, rear bumper. So one little hiccup is they give you these cool little Varis sticker things, but they have instructions, nice photos and everything, but everything is in Japanese. I can't read any of this stuff, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call my friend Kenzo.
Yeah.
What's up? All right, so I have this
Which directions?
yeah, what does it say? I can't read it.
Well, I don't know what these front fenders and intercoolers are.
More people are involved now.
Fender. We don't know. I don't understand what some of those parts are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, well, thanks, man. I'm sorry, Kenzo, but that was not helpful at all. So back to test fitting. Obviously, you have to rivet on the old bracket from the top of the stock bumper. You also have to take off these side brackets. Side skirts, they were a dream. They fit great, considering. Rear bumper, I had to get in here and I had to cut part of the crash bar because this was hitting. You can see right there. Also, I had to raise the trunk up a good bit because when you closed the trunk, it was hitting. So now we got to take all this stuff back apart and go ahead and send it to paint. We primed all this sections, the sections that maybe had pinhole. These have all been sanded with 320 grit. All right, so the next step is to actually mix the paint. It's done. If you want an estimate to get your own car worked on, shoot us a email at baltimorebodyshop@gmail.com. That's our That's our day-to-day business where we actually make money. Yeah, so that's it. This is the first 5 Minute Friday. Hope you guys liked it.